A delegation from Kyrgyzstan headed by Deputy Minister of Culture, Information, Sports and Youth Policy Saltanat Amanova visited a number of state mass media of Kazakhstan as part of a study trip to the city of Nur-Sultan. In particular, the delegation got acquainted with the activities of the TV and radio complex of the neighboring country, Kaz Media Ortalığı. The 22-story TV center occupies 68,000 square meters and provides all technical support to state media. About 7,000 square meters of the center are occupied by 15 unique hardware and studio blocks, as well as a robotic studio of the Khabar 24 channel. Then the members of the delegation visited the Khabar agency, the TV and radio company, Kazakhstan, and got acquainted with the work of the state portal stopfake.kz. Following the results of the study trip, the parties agreed to organize a series of masterclasses for the state media of Kyrgyzstan, well-known TV journalists, TV presenters, TV directors, head of TV programs and TV channels, and other employees of TV and cinema in Kazakhstan. At the same time, memorandum of cooperation were signed between the media holding pyramid and the agency Khabar, as well as the TV and radio company Kazakhstan.